Oh, hey, I'm glad you stopped by. I'm working on my card kit for this month, for January of 2018, and having fun with it and crafting. And I was reflecting a little bit. As of March 2018, I will be a demonstrator for 4 years. And I was having a reflection on that. And I have, in the past 4 years, have had so many amazing things happen to me because I've become a demonstrator, Stampin' Up demonstrator. And I thought that maybe I would have a little conversation with you. First of all, saying thank you so very much for your likes and comments, positive comments, and for watching my videos weekly, hanging out with me. I've gotten to know quite a few of you by name, and it's kind of cool meeting people from all over the world. So I really wanted, I can't express this in words so very well. I'm not a writer, I'm a paper crafter, but I did really want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you so very much. This last year was kind of trying with all the things that happened to me, with the flood and the renovation, and it was just like one thing after the other. And then, yeah, so anyway, such positive feedback and just kind words and understanding, and this community, paper crafting community, is amazing. And then I was sort of reflecting a little bit about when I signed up for Stampin' Up, and I really didn't know a heck of a lot. I signed up with the lady I went to classes with, or she held Stampin' Up classes, and I signed up with her, and that was 4 years ago in March. And I thought it was kind of cool because I did take the plunge, and I sat and hummed and hawed about it, going, is it worth it? What's the big deal about it? Can I actually do these sort of classes and stuff? And over the years, I've sort of developed a fantastic team. And it's interesting because most of us, we sign up for the discount, that 20% off discount. So all of our products that we purchase, we get 20% off on it. Even sale items, we get 20% off, or you have the opportunity to get 25% off. Anyway, I'm not going to get into all of that. I wanted to talk to you about the best deal, the biggest bundle. If you're an avid crafter like I was and still am, you will want to be interested in this. And it's my job to share with you the best deal. And really, signing up with Stampin' Up is a really good deal, especially in celebration. And don't let me freak you out. This isn't a business talk. I'm just going to share with you the actual benefits of why you would want to sign up with Stampin' Up during celebration. So you get to choose $165 worth of product for $135. So that's in Canada, and of course I'm speaking to Canadians. But you get a $30 coupon right there. Then you get an additional 2 stamp sets of your choice, and your starter kit is all of your choice, no matter what. Stampin' Up throws a catalog and a few businessy things in there, but truly you get to choose $165 worth of product for $135, all of your choice, and you only pay $135. Period, the end. So there is free shipping, and maybe we gloss over this a little bit, but your first order through Stampin' Up as an active demonstrator, you will get your starter kit free shipping, which is amazing. There was 2 sales just recently about free shipping, and I noticed that my customers jumped on that. They don't necessarily care about the discounts of the products. They wanted free shipping. This is a big free shipping thing. So I think that's an extra 10% savings. plus your 2 extra free stamp sets. And those stamp sets can be whatever you want. They could be the most expensive. I think we've got $40 stamp sets out there. So say if you bought 2 $40 stamp sets, you got $80 right there that is for free, plus you know you get free shipping, and then you got a $30 coupon right off the bat, paying choosing $165 worth of product for $135. And then the thing is, here it comes, there's no strings attached, period. You can just buy the kit and that's it. Now if you're an avid crafter like me, that probably won't happen, but it's one of those things that if you just wanted to, you know, say get all the ink pads, or say get the blendabilities, sorry, the blends, the alcohol markers, you can put this as your starter kit, spend, pick out $165 worth of blends, then pay only $135, get 2 free stamp sets, have free shipping on it, and then boop, that's it, you're done. Don't buy any more. It's fine. There's no commitment. Absolutely free, no strings attached. You buy your kit, that's it. And that's totally fine. Whatever you want to do. Now, if you do continue, you want to continue on, you can get, if you do want to purchase more, you'll get 20% off. And that's 20% off sale items too. So just saying, that's kind of cool. So, and if somebody purchases from you, say you give them your demonstration number and they order online through you or whatever, you get that 20% commission, or it can go up to 25%. So there's also some things that I like to do for the people who sign up with me. As a member of my team, I share ideas and inspiration and support as best I can through a Facebook page, a private Facebook page. And then you're actually, we have a community feeling of a larger team, and that's the team that I belong to. And we do Facebook meetings once a month. And of course, because my team is all across Canada, we started doing it on Facebook Live. So that's fun. You get to meet other people in your team. But demonstrators who are in my team personally get all of my online classes for free. So they have access to all of them. And that's like a $60 value right there so far. I will be producing more classes hopefully soon. As I mentioned before, I had the flood and the renovation, and then went right into Christmas stuff, and then I'm a hairdresser, so it was really busy during December. So it's one of those things. There's going to be more online classes for sure. So all of my team gets access to that right off the bat. And then just like I was making my card kits for this month, January, my team gets them as well. I feel that it is my job to inspire and to keep my team creative as well as my customers. So regardless if they purchase anything in that month or not, as long as they're an active demonstrator, they get a card kit in the mail from me. And I do share little business tips. I don't see the difference between a hobby demonstrator and a business demonstrator. I just share tips in case one day somebody wants to go out of the hobby demonstrator and just buy supplies for themselves and wants to move on to becoming a business. Now, that's the thing. I am not a hobby demonstrator. I am a demonstrator, period. I'm making it a business. And I'm in it for the long haul. I want to retire from hairdressing, or when I do, I want to have this business to fall back on. I want this business to help me through my sunset years. And so that means that I am in it for the long haul. I'm not going to quit on anybody. I'm going to continue doing what I'm doing and just getting bigger and better, and you never know, I might be able to do it full time. I know that there's demonstrators who do it full time and do a fantastic job of it, but for me right now, I consider it my jobby. I love to inspire. I love to share. I think it's fantastic to show how the products work. It's important for me and my customers to know what's in that catalog, what they can bring to their craft table. It's important for me to keep people creative, and that is my main goal. But also I'm not much of a business person. I'll be honest. These kind of chats kind of freak me out a little bit. It's like, how do I explain to you guys that this is really the best deal? You can't get a better deal from it. And if you're a customer of mine right now and you're living in Canada, and say you choose to sign up as a demonstrator and then go, okay, I'm done. I don't want to be a demonstrator anymore. That's fine. You can still come back and be my customer. So you can still get Stampin' Up! Products, but when you are your own demonstrator, you can get that 20% off. Whereas when you're my customer, you give me your 20%, and that's fine too. I appreciate everything that you do. I appreciate your purchases, and that's the reason why I send out the card kits. But really, think about it. How about giving yourself a 20% discount on your crafty items? Really, think about it. So I'm going to put a little PDF wherever you're watching this video so that you can just click on it. And inside that PDF, I'm going to detail the perks, some of the fun things like the free magazine we get. This is called Stampin' Success. They give ideas from the designers at Stampin' Up. They give you, ideas for classes, but also inspiration to keep you creative. This is my main goal, and I think Stampin' Up's main goal too. Keep creating, keep working, do something creative every day. Anyway, there's going to be a link somewhere. It's going to be called The Best Deal, and you're going to click on it. It's going to take you to a PDF. You can read all about it. I've had some questions. I've had and my answers to it. And the thing is that I would really love you to join my team. I've met so many of you throughout my country and elsewhere, and I think it's really a really good opportunity to sort of, hang out a little bit, become, sisters. Anyway, I just wanted to also wish you a happy new year, 2018, no matter what you decide. If you decide to be a demonstrator on my team, or if you decide to just keep on being a customer, or if this is your first time being, hearing me chat and vlog, if you will. Hope you didn't get bored. So thanks again for stopping by. I got work to do. So I also wanted to make mention, every second Tuesday of every month, I'm going to be doing Facebook Live. So, and if you wanted to join me on my Facebook page, and we'll do a little crafting. I'm not going to share my Facebook stuff on YouTube, or on my blog or anywhere. It's just going to stay on Facebook. So it'll be kind of fun interacting with all of you, and I encourage you all to join my Facebook page, and we'll keep creating there as well. Okay, see ya.